T. This is a distance D. So what will be the area of cross section here? So what will be the capacitance? So we know what is K for iron slab infinity. So according to the formula, F naught A D minus T 1 minus 1 by K. In place of K, I should put infinity. So this will become epsilon naught A D minus T. It will be still capacitor only. So what is the effective capacitance will be D minus T. So sometimes you get a problem where one plate is of thickness 1 centimeter, other plate is of thickness 6 centimeter. Then what happen here, there won't be any field here, no? Because inside the container, there won't be electric field here. So no question of what is the capacitance is offered only by this space. This is the free space. So instead of writing free space, I'll just write air. The value of air is F naught R is slightly greater than 1. Still, we can make it in our problems. Let it be equal to 1 only. So what is the effective thickness of this capacitor now? D minus T it will become. So one plate is thick, other plate is thin. Okay, you can use this for particular. Or if I bring iron slab, this gap will be very, very small. This gap which is there, no? Here it is assumed that it's very negligible. Then we are writing this formula. Okay, after this, now instead of the same iron slab, no, I will bring a wire. Already I discussed. So there, if I fully fill up, oh, I'll fully fill up with an iron slab. This is what will be the capacitance now? Hold the capacitance. So let's do one thing. What is D equal to T and D equal to T? So what is the capacitance XY? Give like this, CXY will become infinity. Or instead this, you can just bring one. Even you can connect just by a wire, no? Then also what happens, the capacitance, how much it will become? I'll connect by a wire. What is the capacitance? Will become infinity. When you partially fill up, will have capacitance. When you fully filled up or connected by a wire, this would be capacitance. So different shaped iron slabs, I'll bring it here. So try to work out some problems related to this. Later on I'll update you. Let me finish off today major basic ideas. So means like a, I'll give here only. Let me finish off this concept here only. No? These are like this. Now different shape means different shaped conductors are being. So what method we have to apply here? Where all we see we see electric field only, you know, and will not be uniform at least. How the field lines, if you bring plus q minus q, the field lines will be directed somewhere like this. Instead of asking something, they may ask you just only the lines of force. So we can't just, so this will be the thing. So here minus q induced charge. You have to show it more, some, and here let it be positive charge. Will be like this. So here I'll give the total D. Thickness of this, let it be T. So can we get any capacitance for such a capacitor also? Partially I filled up. So can we use same formula? Or can we use formula like a ED? So like earlier what we used, no? When you use that method. We can't say, anything because we are not perfect sure about this particular shape, so cannot be determined. Now, same thing if I change the shape like this. See, because we can't use the formula of E bar, the electric field, no? So field is non-uniform. So we can't write any equations also here. We can't write any equations also. This one. So the same setup, I'll change slightly here. No, you can see. Capacitance, this is the gap X. This is the gap X. This distance is the B. And this distance is D. Different shape conductors, some little bit mathematically possible only what happened we can find out. At our level, the first diagram I say not possible. So there's the iron. So these are the plates here. Can we say anything about here? The capacitance. The B is measured from here, this edges. So here also as good as nothing. So only this gap between them will offer some capacitance, no? So directly the effective capacitance C12 should be equal to epsilon naught A D minus B. So the small gap is given. Here we are unable to find out because of this shape like this. So here it is possible. Will there be any capacitance by this region? Will there be any capacitance by this region? Even if it is there, what pen as good as they're connected by a wire, no? So there won't be any capacitance by this region. Only capacitance